Hey guys, welcome to the first video of the regular rotation. If you didn't notice, last week was the end of Wade's Winter Wonderland, so now you get the normal intro. As you can tell by the title of this video, the title of this video is Boys Can't Wear Chapstick. Now, I posted a poll on Instagram. I'll put it up next to me right now, where it says, hey, I have a question. Can/should men wear chapstick? And then I wrote, I use it, but I'm just curious. And 25 people voted yes and 0 people voted for no. So now, that's where I come in. This is going to be a rant slash story time slash PSA. And I feel like this is, you know, oh, okay, I can make it brighter because the sun's going down if you couldn't notice, and I want to film this really quickly because today is the day that I get the mic and I'm so excited for it. ASMR videos will be coming this Friday, so be ready. So, anyways, thing is, like I said, this is going to be a rant story time slash PSA, the story time. When I was in like 3rd grade or so, I think it was 3rd grade, I like bit my lips a lot, like not in the whole like musically way, you know, like I just had like a problem. I think like I just bit my lips a lot, so my lips were always like crusty and like, so my parents bought me a chapstick, and so I was like, oh my god, my lips feel so soft or whatever. And then I brought it to school only once. You might be asking, why did you only bring it once if you have like problems? When I brought it to school, I put it on before school started because I didn't want to bite my lips, and then some kids in my class were like, oh, that kid has lip gloss. Like, they said it in Spanish, but oh, that kid has lip gloss, oh, that's gay, huh? And you know, like, that frustrated me because just because I'm wearing chapstick doesn't mean that I'm gay or like into that, you know. No, like nothing against you if you do, but like, why should wearing a nice little lip lube imagine if they were actually called, oh no, it's upside down, lip lube. Imagine if that was actually the name, but you know, I don't get it. But anyways, that got me upset. And then because of this winter time, I got a new AC because of Maria, and as I told you in the how to waste, the first video that's like, I don't have a video for today, in that video, I told you that I got a new fan. And this fan is a lot better, well, it's just clean. My other one was this cold at one point. But anyways, at night, my room gets down to like 60 degrees, which for Puerto Rico, that's freezing, you know? And so my hands get dry. And my hands are still very, well, not very dry, but I asked my mom and she got me Lubriderm to like not have crusty hands, because nobody wants to shake my hand and be like, this kid has crusty hands, you know? And so, can I make it brighter? No, that is as bright as it can go. So, since nobody wants that, I started using it. And then I started like using it on different spots of my face. And now my face is like soft. And then I remembered, hey, I use chapstick. And then now, before I go to bed, I put like some of that cream on my face, and then I put on chapstick so that my lips don't get dried out because of the AC and the fan. And then I was thinking about it, and then it reminded me of that experience in 3rd grade. And I was kind of upset about it, and then I put a poll on Instagram, which I referenced at the beginning. And I said, can/should men wear chapstick? And everybody voted yes. And I'm like, that's interesting. Before, they wouldn't have said, not that the people that voted would have said no, but people in general wouldn't have said yes, if that makes sense. Because, oh, if he's moisturizing his lips, that means that he's into guys, that he likes this, likes that, does this, does that. And I just think that that's wrong. And sorry, and this is where the rant part comes in, because I'm like, why should I not feel in my mind that I'm not allowed to wear this because I'm afraid that I'm gonna be judged. Like, what? No! That doesn't make any sense. You know? And then a friend of mine, I don't know if he watches my videos. If you do, you know who you are. Replied to my message on Instagram. He went from here to the US. So the people who are in my school or my friends that watch my videos, you're gonna know who it is. He messaged me and said, oh, the guys over here, like, let me like actually quote him. Okay, he said, oh, come to the US, you'll see the most straight kids using it. The thing is that over here it's normal, and even they ask me for what flavor I use. I'm dead. And then I said, seriously? And then he said, yup, I have cherry and candy and blah blah blah. I said I only have regular because according to other people, the flavored ones are girly. And then he's like, why? Like, that's dumb. And I said, well, that's how it is over here. He said, guys here use all the different flavored ones. That's not, there's no problem with it. And I said, well, they're more progressive over there. And then he said, I think if I was there, they wouldn't tell me anything because I get along with a lot of people. Which is true, he gets along with a lot of people. And I feel like I should get a light, you know? So I changed the angle so that you can see it, but I just read all his messages. And that like really got to me, like, huh? Why is it that over there, like over there being the US, guys use chapstick and it's seen as nothing, but over here, a guy uses chapstick and by some people, he's perceived as feminine or anything like that. And I just think that that's wrong. You shouldn't just judge a person just because they're using chapstick. Like, bruh, no. And so, I don't care, you know? I'm gonna wear chapstick and I'm not gonna care what anybody says about me, you know? And you might be like, this is, you're overreacting a little bit, like, really, this whole rant for chapstick? Yes, this whole rant for chapstick. I don't want dry lips, you don't want dry lips. Nobody should want dry lips. So, who cares, you know? So, I'm sorry for my rant, you know? I just felt like I had to get it out of my system. Like, I should be allowed to do whatever I want because it's my lips and I don't want them to be crusty. Oh my god, my eyes look green here. Anyway, regardless, sorry that now the shot's wider. Now you see my AC and my Superman pillow, but I don't care. I really don't. So, thank you guys so very much for watching and for listening to me rant for 10 minutes. Like, this is 10 minutes, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna cut some parts of it out. But thank you for listening to me rant and for caring enough to click on this video. So now, let's all wear our chapsticks together in like harmony and not categorize a person just because they wear chapstick. Okay? We're in mutual agreement? Awesome. So, thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below, what did you think of this video? And in particular in the comments, tell me, do you want to see the style of outro that I had during Wade's Winter Wonderland come back? Because today's video is going to just be the outro card. Your standard dun, 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 but it's the 4 slide. If you want to see that, I'll bring it back. But I just think this one's easier and cleaner because I don't have to worry about making everything, you know, cohesive. Even though that one looked nicer, but you know what? Shh. So, anyways, remember that I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys on Friday with an ASMR video. Bye guys.